Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and yummy stir-fried shrimp and egg. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Peel and devein shrimps first. This kind of shrimp is already deveined, but you can use a toothpick to remove the vein. Rinse the shrimps with water, then wipe dry. Add 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, then marinate for 10 minutes. Prepare 1 tablespoon of diced green onions. Crack 3 large-sized eggs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 20 grams of unsalted chicken stock, and 1 tablespoon oil, then beat well. Heat pan, then add 1 tablespoon oil. At high heat, pan fry shrimps for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Flip the shrimps, then pan fry for another 45 seconds. Scoop out the shrimps. Turn to lowest heat now. Pour the eggs in. Stir fry the eggs in a swirling stroke until the eggs are 50% cooked. Then pour the shrimps in and stir fry briefly and add the green onions. I prefer my eggs 100% cooked, so I would stir fry a little bit longer. Then scoop out. Stir frying the eggs and shrimps for shorter time if you prefer less cooked egg. The simple and yummy stir-fried shrimp and egg is now ready to serve. Enjoy!